Hello guys. Welcome to What We Want, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram account on mobile. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, go to the App Store or Play Store. Search for Instagram and download the latest version. Launch the application after successful installation. Then it shows you two options: Create New Account and Sign In. Choose Create New Account option by tapping on it. Then it provides you two ways to create account. One is using phone number, and the other one is using email. Choose your option and enter respective detail. Later, tap on Next. A verification code will be sent to the provided email or phone number. Enter the code in the column, and tap on Next. Now, it asks you to enter your full name. Provide it and tap on Next. In this step, you need to create a password. Try to choose the password with the combination of capital, numbers, and special characters. Later, tap on Next. In the next step, you need to set your date of birth. Use the below available feature and set your date of birth. And later, tap on Next. Now, it asks you to create username. Enter a username, and check whether it is available or not. If the username is available, you will see a tick mark beside your username. Later, tap on Next. And this is the last step in the creation of your Instagram account. Tap on Sign Up. That's it, your Instagram has been created. It asks you to find friends from Facebook. You can do it later by tapping on Skip. Do the same with contacts also. Next, it asks you to upload a profile photo for your Instagram account. Tap on the Add a Photo option to upload right now. Else, tap on the Skip option to upload later. Allow permissions by tapping on Turn On. Now you are redirected to the main interface of Instagram. Tap on the Profile option, available at the right bottom. Then you will find your profile. That's it. This is how you can create a new Instagram account on mobile. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.